Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a 2022 Volvo XC40 T5 R Design in denim blue metallic with a charcoal nubuck and Napa leather interior. If you like your vehicles well equipped and well accessorized, this denim blue beauty is for you. Everything from the load bars already installed up top. You get running boards, an exterior styling kit. This has the Polestar optimization, that cool black roof, and check out these 21-inch wheels, real showstopper wheels. Absolutely gorgeous. It even has a little extra spoiler on the back. There's keyless entry, hands-free power liftgate, plenty of space in the back. This has the Protection Package Plus, so you get the rubber mats that snap into place. Those little power back here. It also has the grocery divider under there. You'll be able to remote start this car through the Volvo On Call app, and you get 4-year subscription with the purchase of a brand new Volvo to that app. This also has the climate package, so the back seats are heated, the front seats are heated, you get a heated leather wrapped steering wheel, there's a panoramic sunroof with a power sunshade, and you get the upgraded Harman Kardon stereo system with the R design and the running boards, so when the door is open there's much better space to jump up and grab whatever you need from the top up here. You get the metal pedals with the R design. You can store credit cards or business cards right over there. This has a wireless phone charger, a little power up front, plug your phones in, your ignition switch is right here, and you get to see those safety features every time you start up. This is your home screen, your navigation is right here. Your climate control is all along the bottom. Off to the left, you'll find your vehicle functions. This has the 360-degree camera system that comes with the advanced package. You get the park in and out feature if you need help with parking. You choose a camera for a better view on that. And this is blacked out because I have my door open. And even if your backseat passengers have their door open a little, that will still be blacked out. And that's a nice way to tell if everyone is safe before you take off. Your adjustable drive mode button is right here. That's how you can get into that Polestar. This has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Adjust your sound system. If you are looking for a Volvo XC40 with all the things, this is stock number 22275. and it's available for immediate delivery on 9 US Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine. We'd love to see you. Schedule your test drive and get into this today. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon from Portland Volvo.